How dare you stand where he stood? Tell them how it happened that night. Tell them how you looked him in the eye, a man who trusted you, and killed him.
You must be the one to kill me, Severus. It is the only way.
Severus. Please. Avada Kedavra.